Hello parents, this is our second session of set 1 sounds, so I'm going to quickly revise the first sets of sounds that we'd learnt and then move on to the second half of set 1. So ah, s, d, t, I, n, p, g, o, k, k, o, b, And now we're going to work on to the next 5 sounds. So the first one, flower, egg, leg, horse. The next one is slightly different because there are 2 letters but 1 sound. So we teach the children that when there are 2 letters together, they have special friends and it makes them say a different sound. So this one we have S and the H, but when they're together, the horse says shh to the hissing snake. So horse says shh to the snake. So by now you can practice with your children word time 1, word time 2 and word time 3 words. These are the word time 3 words. B-in, bin, g-et, get, m-et, met, met, k-up, cup, cup, k-at, cat, cat, k-it, kit, up, up, mud, 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 bad, bad, can, can, cot, cot, bed, bed, in. Now we're going to do our word time 4 sounds. Robot, jack in a box, worm, yak, yak, vulture, and some word time for words. It, hit, hen, log, log, fan, fat, fat, had, fun, let, lip, ship, fish, shop. And here, if you can see that the 2 letters 1 sound has a line underneath it to remind the children that it's 2 letters but 1 sound. Shop, shop. 3 sounds. Shop, shop. And we've got our final set of sounds for set 1 sounds, and these go with our word time 5 words. So, thank you, said the princess in the tower to the horse. Zip. Says the horse as the caterpillar's hairs get stuck in his nose. Queen. Qu. And with this one, the Q in English is always followed by a U, but it's silent, so we always see the two letters together. So it's Qu, Qu. Exercise. X. Ng. 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 Nk. Nk. So that is all of our set 1 sound. So we have our word time 5 sound words. So yum, jet, jet, yes, yes, jog, jog, yet, yet, win, win, red, red, jam, jam, rat, rat, run, run, yap, yap, vet, vet, jam, jam, web, web, wet, wet, wish, wish, yum, yum, and back to jet. I'm going to go through once again the 2-letter 1 sounds words sounds for you. Ch, qu, nk, ng, sh. Word time 6 are a mixture of all of the sounds that you've learnt and 3 phonemes blending together. So we have in, thin, ch, in, chin, ch, op, chop, b, ox, box, zip, zip, f, ox, fox, s, ix, six, b, ang, bang, ch, at, chat, qu, it, quit, s, ing, sing, quiz, quiz, his, this, zag, zag, fix, fix, ick, thick. Only 3 sounds. Ick, thick, but 5 letters. Ing, thing, wing, wing, in, thin, ch, in, chin. So all of word time 6 are 3 sounds. So once your children can blend 3 sounds together and know all of their sounds, they should be working on word time 6. The final word time for set 1 sounds is word time 7, which incorporates all of the sounds the children have learnt, but also moves on to having 4 sounds and 5 sounds in a word, which is a huge step for the children then to remember all of those sounds blending together. So we're going to start off with the ones that have 3 sounds. Back, back, huff, huff. And even though it's the double F, it just says 1 sound. Huff, huff. L, fell. Wink, wink. Bell, bell. Well, well. Ink, think. Mess, mess. So 3 sounds, but sometimes it has 4 letters. Word time 7, but with 4 sounds. And if you can see here, it's got the 4 dots. So h and hand. A tip here is to get the children to start with the 3 sounds and then add the final sound to it. So h and hand, hand. Dress, 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 dress. Pram, pram. Blip, blip. Skip, skip. Prop, prop. Trip, trip. Gran, gran. Frog, frog. Stop, stop. Blob, blob. Brat, brat. Best, best. Flop, flop. Test, test. Spit, spit. Trap, trap. From, skin, skin. Drip, drip. Stink, stink. Clip, clip. Black, black. Drop, drop. Slip, slip. And again, just to remind you, if they're having trouble hearing the sound, because some children will forget the initial sound because they're so concentrating on that, so they would read that as slip, lip. So start off with the 3 sounds: slip, slip. And lastly, we've got word time 7 with 5 sounds: stand, stand. Strop, strop. Stamp, stamp. And a tip here is to build it up. So stand, stand, and get the children to build it up slowly. And there are lots of words in my on my worksheet, which is in the curriculum folder, reading and spelling. Have a go at home.